Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Thumbs up. See, you know the rule now? Do you remember the rule of class? Our rule is whenever you will be showing thumbs up, you should have a buddy wali smile. Okay? So let me see how many of you are having buddy wali smile. Yes, now you are ready for work. Okay? Always start your work with buddy wali smile. Last class I told you that remaining outlines you will be doing. Okay, so you all must have done. Oh my God, please show. Wow, this is looking so beautiful. And in Tanya's drawing, there are two mermaids. Very good. Very nice. Lovely. So, chalo, without delay, let's get started. Okay. See, students, for making this drawing, we use letters and numbers, right? We learn this drawing using letters and numbers. And I told you that if you want to add some pollution, you can show some bottle or some garbage. This ways you can show that we are polluting this beautiful world. We can show this ways. Okay. And today we need watercolors also because we are going to take thumb impression. Okay, we will be taking thumb impression for making these small tiny fishes. So do you have watercolors with you? Show thumbs up. Yes, ready. Okay, fine. It means you're completely prepared. And you will see even your fingers. If you don't have paintbrush, anything, you can simply do painting with fingers. Yes. And nothing is, whatever you have, you can do coloring and painting with that. Okay. So see, students, in this drawing, we learn how to draw. We draw with pencil. First step. Second step, we gave outlines. Now, third step is erasing extra lines. Now, all of you take your eraser and erase all extra lines. Okay? You will be watching some lines of pencil now. So erase it. And while erasing also, you're supposed to be very much careful. Okay? You will not erase carelessly. Erase it slowly, gently, and finish it. Okay? Make it neat. So all lines of eraser will be erased, a pencil will be erased, and a drawing will look very neat and clean. Okay. Now see, I erase, and while erasing, you're supposed to be very careful. Okay. Don't erase carelessly. Otherwise, your paper can be teared. Okay. So this is third step. Never after outline, without erasing, never start your coloring. Okay. So this ways, I completed my erasing. That is third step also. First we draw, then we outline, and then we erase extra lines. Okay. Now, without delay, we will pick up two colors. Okay. Here, this dress also I will. Okay. If you make dots with pen, it's okay. Now, my drawing is absolutely clean and neat. Now, I will pick up pink and skin color. Okay. Pink color and skin color. Okay, you call it peach color or light orange color. Just take it out. Okay, these two colors. Come on, take out these two colors. And you all will be doing the way I'm teaching you. Okay. Yes, pink and peach color. After this, if you make dots also, then okay, there is nothing to worry. It's perfect. Okay. If you mark dot also, then also it's perfect. If not, then also it's perfect. Okay, now take pink color and make two circles with pink. Okay, do with me. Pink circles directly, okay, without making drawing, directly we will be making two pink circles for making our mermaid looking beautiful. Two pink circles. Come on. Make this. Okay. After doing this, you will take your skin color or peach color, whatever you know it as. Now, what big mistake students do? They always start their coloring from center, which is wrong. We should never start our coloring from center. What they do, they start this way, then sleeping line, then slanting, and just spoil their artwork. Always start your coloring from a corner. Okay, it can be this corner, it can be this corner, it can be this corner or this corner. You will not start your coloring from center. So I will start from here. Chin. Come on, start with me. Small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. Slowly, gently, beautifully. See, I'm not changing direction. See here, your very limited space is there. So I will not change direction. I will go for sleeping lines only. And one more thing, when you move your line, you will not pressurize. Okay, don't put pressure on your color. Many times students put lots of pressure and go for big, big strokes. No, small strokes without any pressure. And see, I'm repeating every line 4 times. See, every line I'm repeating 4 times very gently. When you do this phase, now you will find your coloring absolutely neat, clean, and even. You know what? When we put pressure on your color, on our color, it creates line. The line appears in our coloring. And it just make our artwork absolutely untidy. Never apply pressure on your color. See, without changing direction of my color, I will complete above eyes. Yes, and I will start with the story. This drawing is having a lovely story. So see, this is the story of mermaid. And in this beautiful ocean, the name of this place where beautiful corals were there, beautiful colorful stones were there, and a colorful fishes were there. It was a beautiful land. And the name of it was Peace Land. Okay, peaceful. Everyone was very peaceful, very happy, very healthy. And in this Peace Land, there were many. Manya, you click on active speaker view. Okay, click on active speaker view. You will be able to see my video then. So see this phase, I completed phase. Now start this neck. Start from your body part. Okay, let's complete this body also. And a group of mermaid. Okay, a group of mermaid containing small mermaid, big mermaid, young mermaid, and few mermaid were very, very old and aged also. Okay. So what happened? They were very happy. They used to play. They were very friendly with small fishes, big fishes. And they all were living in the ocean, in the Peace Land like a family. A beautiful land. But then slowly and slowly, a very strange thing started happening. Okay. See, I completed with sleeping line here. Now I will do hands. Okay, I will start from this corner and I will complete hands also. Small strokes, one direction. You will not go for big strokes, okay? And you will repeat every stroke 4 times with no pressure. Don't pressurize your color, okay? Let's complete all skin color part, okay? So this phase, so they were very happy living like a family. If one is unhappy or sad, so other was taking care of that. Now slowly they started observing, the fishes started observing that the water of ocean is turning gray and black in color. And they started having the complaint, they were not able to breathe. They were suffering from the problem of breathlessness, okay? It means they were finding it difficult to breathe in water. They were not knowing what is happening. And then slowly and slowly, this disease of breathlessness in water started increasing. And they were not knowing what is happening. Earlier, we all were so fit and healthy. Suddenly, we all are turning weak and sick. What is wrong? What is happening? They were not knowing. Okay? Show me after doing the skin color in face, hands, and neck. Please show. Wow, this is so beautifully done. Lovely. Hai na? So always start your coloring from a corner. Okay? Never from center. And make sure you will not put pressure on your color. You will move it in one direction. Okay? This is the basic technique. You should never forget. Very nice. Now let's start with hair. Beautiful hair. Acha, do you have earbud? Do you have earbud also? Okay, fine. So yes, with earbud, we are going to do some creative work. Okay, fine. So now I will pick up brown and black color. I will pick up 2 colors, okay, for making beautiful hair of my mermaid. You can take light brown, you can take dark brown, any brown you can take, okay. black and brown. Okay, and if you feel that your colors are very blunt, it's better to sharp them. Your color should be sharp. Sharp, it doesn't mean very much pointed, but not very blunt. Okay. Yes, now these are perfect. Black and brown. Take out these two colors. Now, first of all, take brown. How to hold your color? Just like your pencil. As you hold your pencil now, same way. First, you give outlines with brown. Okay. You can take any brown, normal brown or dark brown. I will give outlines in this complete. If you don't have black, then you can simply do brown. Okay. We are going to make blackish brown color. Okay. So see, I will give outlines first. And thick outlines. Okay, I'm going to give thick outlines with small strokes, one direction. No pressure on your color. Repeat every stroke 4 times. Tanya, yes, you can do it. Yes, start doing better. Okay. So see this ways. I will give outlines, bold outlines. Very nicely. And I will complete this ways. Okay. And all over this flow of hairstyle, just give outlines. Give outlines. So what will happen while filling colors inside? Your color will not go out. Okay. So give outlines first with small strokes, one direction. Now I will give my Instagram ID to all of you. So whatever doubt you have, and I will give phone number of my technical team also. Okay. So if you have any technical doubt, you can call or drop WhatsApp on that number. And if you have any doubt related to drawing, you can contact on me. You can send it through Instagram. Okay. I will give everything. Right now, you all focus on learning. Okay. Yes. So this phase, I gave outlines and now I will fill colors inside. Now fill inside. From where you will start? You will not start from center. You will start from corner. See, I started from here. Standing lines. Come on. So I will continue the story. Slowly and slowly, all creatures of ocean, they were suffering from breathlessness. Something wrong was happening in ocean. And day by day, and those who were very old age fishes, they were facing lots of problems. And many old age fishes, they started dying also. And everyone was worried. What is happening? Something is going wrong. I don't know what happened, what happens. Then few fishes, okay? You can see these small fishes, they decided they will go. I will give you a number, Hardik. So you can simply drop WhatsApp message and they will clear you all doubts. Okay. I will share number of my technical team. Okay. So whatever query you have about enrollment, classes, link, you can message there. And whatever doubt you have about drawing and anything, you can message on my Instagram ID. Both numbers I will give. Okay. Right now you all focus on learning. Okay. So see this ways, I will be completing here. I will start from this corner. Now see here, I will start from this corner, continue and fill complete hair with brown color. Small strokes, one direction, small strokes, one direction. Okay, brown color. The technique of moving black will be different. Okay, yes. So this ways I will do my first layer and that is brown color in hair. And the technique which we are going to use for making hair, you will see that it will look almost real. Fill brown color in complete hair. Okay. So few small fishes, they decided they will go to Maria, the most intelligent mermaid. Okay. She will find out because she was very fast in swimming on the top till the bottom. And she was very helpful and very intelligent. She knows about what is the happening latest in the world. Okay. So they decided they will go to Maria and report that this is happening in ocean. Old age fishes are dying. Okay. See, this way I completed brown color in complete hair. Show me. Yes, very good. Now you will take your second color and that is black. Okay, now see how to start with black. All of you take black. Yes, very good. Now start from here. You will start from here and first you will complete this portion. Now see, black you will do as I'm showing you. You will complete this portion. Okay? Yes. Okay, with slanting line you complete this. Now you will come here, start giving outlines. What I'm doing, I'm moving my black color on brown. Okay, and when I'm moving my black color on brown, what is happening? The color I'm finding a lovely texture. See, make a bold outlines here. All of you see. This ways you will be giving a bold outlines and continue the flick. Come on, do brown, black this ways. Okay, make it bold, thick. And you will continue this ways. You will continue this ways only, okay? You will keep doing this ways only until the end of hairstyle. Now, all of you see, after doing this much, you will start from top. Now you will start from top, okay? Now you will start from top after making it thick. And you can see how beautiful the lines are looking. Wow, it's looking real, isn't it? Akshay, if you don't have things to do it, beta, don't worry. You simply, Akash, if you don't have things to do this, you simply sit and see the class, okay? After the class, when you will be able to arrange for things, that time you do, okay? Because when you will attend class, at least you will be knowing that how to do. So see this hair on head, you will be doing this ways, okay? And now I will be completing this line, okay, standing line. So here now you will be moving color the same ways I'm showing. Standing line, this falling. So they all reach to mermaid and they inform mermaid, you know something wrong is happening with water. Continuously we are suffering from breathlessness and this problem is increasing day by day. Please do something. And few fishes, they have died also. So mermaid, after listening this, mermaid say, oh my God, it means something wrong is going in our ocean. We will have to do something. They said, yes, because of this only we came here to inform you. Please do something, mermaid. Mermaid said, don't worry. I will definitely do something. First, I will find out the reason why it is happening. See, after doing this, you will start from here. Start from your tail. Okay, now black, you will start from here. Yes, this way, sleeping lines, small sleeping lines. Come on, do. Okay, Maria, the name of mermaid was Maria. Okay, so Maria decided to find out the reason behind. Tanya, you can message me on Instagram. Okay, beta, send your drawing and message me on Instagram and I will give you answer there. Okay, beta. Right now you focus on learning. Okay. Or I think I shall share the number in beginning only. So that continuous message which I'm getting, because many students are having query and they want to know. See students, please note down this, because this class, the recording of this class, you will be getting on my YouTube channel. Note down this name of my YouTube channel, My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. Okay. But the recording of this class, today's class, you are going to get on my YouTube channel. Okay. And now note down, this is my Instagram ID. RGO_classes. After doing your work, you will be sending your work here. This is my Instagram ID. Okay. Yes. So if you have any problem related to art and a drawing, you want to know that how is the art, you want to send your artwork for correction, you will be sending it here. This is my Instagram ID. Okay. And the recording of today's class, you will be getting on this YouTube channel, My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. Okay. And see, this is the number of my creative team. Note down 7617 410,911. Okay, this is the number. This is the number of my technical team. If you want to know about enrollment, fees sector, or anything, you just WhatsApp, drop WhatsApp. Okay, so they will give you reply. Okay, so this is all about, and these are the offers. I will tell you about this also. For our regular classes, we run our regular drawing classes, and in that, for per child, we charge 1,200 rupees. Okay, but if you go for group enrollment, it means 3 students together, then your fees will reduce to 900. And if you go for 5 students together, then the fees will reduce to 800. And if you go for 8 students group enrollment, your fees will be just 650. Okay, so these are offers on the very special occasion of our birthday. Let's get back to our work and story. Okay, small strokes, one direction. I will continue here. Okay, and you can simply make it lighter. Okay, you can move it light also somewhere. So this ways you can see how beautiful hair style is looking after giving the mixing of 2 colors. Okay, with plastic crayons. So see, this hairstyle is ready. I want to check the work. Show. So what we did, we moved brown and over that black. Okay, very good. It's looking so beautiful. Great. Now let's get started with dress. Okay, so I will pick up my purple color. You can take purple color, or if you want to make any other color in your mermaid, yes, you can do. Okay, I want to make this upper dress with purple color. Okay, so start doing. I will be starting from here. You can take even dark blue. I think dark blue will also look good, or you can take even purple. So see, I will start from here. Yes, start from corner. Small strokes, one direction. Okay. See, this is number. Please, I share the number. Whatever doubt you have, you please send on Instagram or WhatsApp on the number. Okay. I won't be able to reply in class. So please note down the number, and on that you can send your doubts. So see, this ways I will be doing purple in this top part of my dress. Purple. I'm going to make some very beautiful dots with earbud after doing purple. Okay. Standing line. See, I'm moving my color in standing line. I started from a corner and I'm not changing direction of my color. I'm moving my color in one direction with small strokes. Okay. Small strokes, one direction. And this ways I will be completing my complete drawing. You can do any other color also. Okay. If you want to do any other color, yes, you can do. Okay. You can try any other color for making this top. Dark blue, green, pink, yes, you can try. I'm going to do this complete dress body with pink. That's why I selected purple on the top. Now you will take your second color, and that is pink color. Okay. If you have fluorescent pink, you can try pink. Take pink color. Yes. And from where you will start, you will not start from center. You will start from corner. Okay. Where? From here. Come on, start doing. And how to do? Small strokes, one direction. Okay. You will not change direction. Go for one direction. Small strokes, one direction. Small stroke, one direction. Continue. Continue. Standing lines. Okay. You will keep going in standing line. Okay. This is purple color. Okay. Violet color. Violet color. Okay. You can try this with any other color also. Okay. I'm not using green for body because green grass and everything we are going to show. And I'm not using blue color because water is going to be blue. So I selected this pink color for my dress of the body of mermaid. Okay. Yes. So how I'm going to do? Standing line. See, I'm not changing direction. Can you see? Standing I started and I'm going to finish it in standing line only. Small strokes, one direction. Yes, I will start with the story also. Then what happened? They all have, you can use blue also. Okay, you can use blue also. So they all decided to reach to Maria. Maria was very intelligent. Maria decided to find out the reason why this is happening in their peace land. She just float over surface and she was amazed to see the dirt on the surface of water. Thousands and lakhs of plastic bottles and plastic bags were floating on the surface of the ocean. Okay, and besides this, a factory very nearby was disposing the garbage, you know, that their chemical waste in water, and because of this, the water was not having any oxygen because the surface was covered with plastic, polythene, bottles, so oxygen was not reaching to ocean. And besides this plastic was making the complete water of ocean very, very poisonous. Okay. See this phase? I will be doing pink. Okay. Yes. Do pink this phase. Very good. Now see, without changing direction, we completed pink, isn't it? You can do orange. It will look great. Why not? You can do orange. Okay, orange, and this I'm going to do in my now tail. Okay, so for tail, I will be doing orange. Okay, and pink. Okay, orange and pink, and then yellow ochre color. Yes, see, I will be doing orange on the sides. Okay. And yes, this is yellow ochre color. See, this is yellow ochre color. Okay. I will be doing, see how to do. I will start from a corner. From where you will start? You will start from a corner. Okay. This phase. Never start your coloring from center. Finish this with yellow ochre. Golden. Okay. You can take golden also or this color also. This phase I will be completing. Start from corner. You see here in mermaid, you can try your own colors. Okay. If you want to try any other color, yes, you can try. Okay. I will be doing orange here. Come on. Orange here. Outlines. Okay. I will be giving orange outline in the frog and the frill and fill yellow ochre color. The same color which I fill in my tail. I will be using the same colors for body. Okay. Yes. Golden. So this phase, tail and this frog is matching. Okay, orange outline and yellow inside. You can do any other color. Okay, if you want to do any other color, yes, you can do. Okay. Yes. Finish this. And the stripe. The stripe we can try with orange. Or you can try it with golden also. This is your choice. I'm going to make it orange. Okay. Yes. To make your mermaid colorful, okay, but make sure your technique should be one stroke, small strokes in one direction. You will not keep changing your direction, okay? This is a very important thing you should keep in mind, okay? Wow, very good. I can see lovely color schemes. Shabash. Yes, very good. I can see multicolors in many mermaids. Beautiful. Excellent work. Excellent. Okay. Great. You all have done? Show thumbs up. Show thumbs up though if you all have done, or anyone want me to wait for you? Done? Fine. Thumbs up with what? Don't forget the rule of class. Yes, thumbs up with smile. Very good. Chalo, now a very important thing, and that is you will take sky blue color. Take your sky blue color. Okay, light blue color. And simply move it very light on the outlines. Okay, on the body of mermaid. Very light on the outline of mermaid. Okay. And simply take purple. Very good. Okay, take purple color and start writing U. See how this way is purple, directly with purple. C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. You can take dark blue or dark purple for this. Come on. Come on. With purple, you will be writing C for cat. Very carefully, okay? Because we are doing it without pencil. Okay? Come on, make this. C, C, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. Come on, keep doing. And this ways you will be completing the body of Maria, mermaid. Okay? I took my purple color for making this. Do it very nicely and carefully. Okay? Don't do it carelessly. And this ways we will complete the basic body of a mermaid. Very beautiful, lovely. And now one more very important part of drawing is left, and that is eye. Okay, beautiful eyes of mermaid. Okay, yes. Finish this. Simply draw C, small c. And you can make even dots also, but you will be simply making C for cat, C for cat. Yeah, this is C only. Okay. If you don't have sky blue, yes, you can use shiny blue also. Yes, you can use. Okay. I want to check the work. All of you show. Yes, all of you show your work. Very good. It is so beautiful. Now we will learn a very beautiful way of making eyes. Okay. Now for making eyes, take out your sketch pen and this inner circle, make it black. Okay, this inner circle, make it black. With sketch pen. Come on. Completely black with sketch pen. Yes, now we are going to make very expressive, very impressive eyes. So inner circle, you will do black with sketch pen. Okay, now you will be taking yellow ochre or golden or yellow color and brown color. Okay, you will be taking these two colors, yellow ochre, yellow or brown. Golden also you can take. Now, what you will be doing? Now this outer C, all of you see carefully, this is very important step. This outer circle, you will do it in the corner. Only in the corner, you will be doing yellow ochre. Okay. Less than half in corner, you will be doing yellow ochre. Come on, do this. This is very important step of doing. Okay. What I did, inner circle, I did black with sketch pen. Outer circle, I did little part of that with golden or yellow ochre or yellow. Now take your second color and that is brown. Come on, take brown and move your brown over yellow ochre. Move it over yellow ochre, your first color, and then finish the remaining part. Then move your brown on remaining part also. Okay, first you will move on yellow ochre and then you will finish the remaining part and see your eyes are looking so expressive. Yes? Okay. So this way is when you draw your eyes, it looks great. Okay. Yeah. So see now my mermaid is completely ready. After finding complaint for these small fishes, Maria decided she will go and she find out also that all the garbage which human beings are disposing here is making environment dirty. Okay. Continuously the water bottles and plastic, the number of water bottle and plastic waste was increasing on the surface of Peace Land. Okay. And because of this, fishes and animals, sea creatures, they were not able to breathe. And finally, the day came when the situation was unbearable. And all fishes said, Maria, we will leave now. We can't live here. We can't breathe here. Okay. Maria was very sad and not finding out any solution. Have you done? Show the work. All of you? Beautiful, lovely, excellent. Now let's start with water. Take out your sky blue, take out your dark blue, take out your light green, okay? Yeah, take out 3 colors, okay? And as I want to show pollution here, I will add little black in the end, okay? First of all, I will start with, I will make a line, okay? So here, the line going from the head of Maria, okay? Sky blue color. Make a line with sky blue color going from the head of Maria. And one line almost here going from the body of Maria. Okay, come on. Make this kind of stripes and no need to make a straight stripe. You can simply make a line. Okay, because we are going to use 2 colors for making this. Okay. Yes. So now my complete drawing is divided into stripes. I will start with my first color and that is dark blue color. Come on, take dark blue color. And how to start moving? You will start moving in sleeping lines. Come on. Start moving. Hold your color and you will not pressurize. Okay, you will not pressurize your color. Very gently, and this time your colors will be little light. You will be moving your color light. Dark blue. Come on, this upper stripe will be dark blue because we are showing pollution here. Okay. Come on, this is called wash. Okay, this is called background coloring and called wash. Wash is very important part of drawing. Okay, very important. And without wash, your drawing is considered incomplete. So in competition level, if you will not give wash, your drawing will be considered incomplete. Okay. Simply move your color in sleeping lines, small sleeping lines. Come on, continue. We will give wash with this. Okay. Finish this. Sleeping lines. So I will start then. Then finally the day came and Maria was not knowing what to do, what not to do. And before she could think anything, the situation turned alarming. Okay. Continuously the fishes and other sea creature, they were suffering from breathlessness. See, everywhere I'm moving my color sleeping. Okay, I'm not changing direction. Galaxy J5 Prime, I can't unmute anyone, beta. You can send your doubt, okay? We don't unmute our students because for smooth functioning and flow of class, okay? It should not get disturbed. So see, this way is the upper stripe I will be making with blue. And make sure your blue is light. I'm moving it light, not dark, okay? Let's complete this complete upper stripe. Then Maria said, what can we do? So she just went to her mom and started crying. Mom said, what happened, Maria? Maria said, Mama, you are also observing. Continuously, the peace land is turning into a death land. Continuously, fishes are dying and they're expecting me to solve it. And I don't know how to solve this problem. What can I do? She started crying. Then Mama of Maria replied, Beta, when you don't have any solution, just close your eyes and pray to Almighty that God, please give me wisdom so that I can solve this problem. Okay? Give me wisdom, give me strength. And Maria decided she will pray to Almighty God. She closed eyes and will wholeheartedly started praying Almighty God. Oh God, please show me way so that I can help all these small tiny fishes. They are dying in front of my eyes and I can't see this. I want to help them. Okay, and when she was praying, okay, so suddenly a polythene came floating to her body and just got stuck and got stuck in here. Okay. No, don't use soft pastels. Use plastic crayons only. So see, this upper stripe is done. Dark blue. I applied it very light. Now my second color is sky blue color. Come on, take your second color. And same ways without changing direction. My second color. Okay, sleeping lines. It will not change. And see, I'm doing colors very light. I'm not going for dark, but make sure you will not pressurize. Small strokes, one direction, no pressure. The moment you will put pressure, what will happen? Dirty lines will appear. Okay. So make sure you will not move your color. Okay. You can leave little white space near Maria's body. See, I'm not touching this sky blue color to Maria's body. All of you see, there is a space. There is a space. See, here little white space is left. And so you can just leave, keep a little distance while doing sky blue color. This is sky blue color and this is dark blue color. Okay. So shiny blue also, yes, you can use any other color shade also. Yes, you can use. Okay. So this ways, so suddenly a polythene came floating when Maria was praying now. So came floating to Maria and got tucked in Maria's hair. Maria just with hands removed that and throw it out. Okay. So when Maria did this, Maria realized, yes, fishes can't do this because fishes don't have hands. But we all mermaid, we are a big group of 100 and 200 mermaids. God bless us with hands. We can remove all this dirt and garbage. Yes, we should do that. We should start doing this. Okay. And then what they did, they decided they make a team, all mermaid, with instructions of Maria. Maria just thanked God for showing the way. And from second day, Maria made a team of all mermaids and said that we can solve the problem because we have hands. We can just pick up that polythene and bottles and we can simply throw it out on the bank. And this ways, the air will be able to come to ocean and we will keep cleaning. We will keep a staff. We will make a staff of cleaning the environment every day. And all mermaids took the responsibility. Yes, we will clean the ocean. And every day since 2 o'clock, okay, night, they were waking up. They were going on surface because during daytime, people can see them. So throughout night, they were doing their work. They were picking up polythene and plastic because mermaid can come on the bank of the, come out of the river and ocean also. Their body is designed in the way they can breathe outside also. So they were doing this work outside, okay? And one day, and they were cleaning, and the day from when they started picking up polythene and plastic, ocean started getting oxygen again. And the problem of breathlessness started solving. Okay. One day when Maria was doing work on ocean, outside ocean, one person came and observed and started calling, "Hey, mermaid, can you hear me?" She was fearful. She started running. Oh my God, this person will catch me. See, my last layer will be green, okay? Light green. I can take shiny green also. Here, I want to do green. Come on. Take a sleeping lines. Dark blue, sky blue, and green. You can move on grass also. Move your color on grass also, okay? So this way, sleeping lines. And you can see all my colors are very light. Dark blue, light blue, and green. Let your green go in sky blue also. Sleeping lines. Make sure you will not change direction. Okay, so that person called out, "Hey, mermaid, you are so beautiful. Who are you?" So she said, "Please forgive me and don't catch me. I'm helping out sea ocean world because of this polythene and this garbage. Many are dying inside. And we are doing this work to save our ocean life, underwater world." So that person was very kind and a big social worker. So he requested, "Can you give the interview? I will just viral your interview on social media. And definitely the garbage and the disposal of factory, they will stop. Can you do this?" So Maria said, "Why not? If you are ready to help me, I am ready to give my interview." And then Maria gave interview. He recorded in his mobile. And then that video got viral. That a mermaid is requesting, "Please save our water world. What is our fault? Why we are getting this punishment? Why are we dying? We are not coming out and spoiling your world. And why are you killing us? Why so many innocent ocean life is dying? Please don't do that." See this ways? Dark blue, light blue, and light green. Hey, it's looking great, isn't it? Okay. And see here, while doing this, I did not change direction of my coloring. Okay. Yes, can I see? Yes. Wow, wonderful. Great. Okay. Shabash. Do light green color in this bottom part, small strokes, one direction. Okay. Yes. And now we will be completing. Finish it. Very good. Many students are doing. And yes. So see students, one more thing I want to tell you. Don't hurry. Don't hurry. This background can be done in homework also. Okay. Don't hurry. This background coloring can be done in homework also. Now we will start with our impression art. Okay. So if your blue color and green color is left, don't worry. You can do it afterwards also. Okay. So now be ready with your watercolors, the most awaited. Are you ready? Show your thumbs up. Are you ready for watercolors? Yes. So get water, okay? Earbud, cotton, watercolors. Come on, let's get started. Okay, and this way is the activeness of Maria and the zeal to help water world solve the problem. Okay, and finally that video got viral and government took step, stop the factories to dispose their waste, chemical waste in water. You know, they just started a mission of cleaning the ocean, and this ways the complete ocean was again wonderful with pure water, you know, where everyone was happy, healthy. Get some water, earbud, okay, and open your watercolors. I know you all are waiting eagerly for doing the work. Okay, so I will take some earbuds and let's get started. Okay, so see here for fishes, I want different colors. Blue I will take to show bubbles. This is white I will take for showing bubbles. Okay, and I can make fishes with different colors. Brown and orange for making small tiny fishes. It will look great. Yellow I can take for making fishes. Pink I can take. This beautiful teal blue I can take. This is a beautiful color, teal blue color. Whatever color you have, okay? There is no compulsion that whatever color I'm using, you will be using the same. You can use colors available. Green for showing grass, okay? Brown to and pink. See, this is a beautiful pink color. If you don't have, you can use color, whatever color is available with you, okay? So don't get disheartened. And this is red. Yeah, one few fishes with red color will look great, isn't it? And I'm going to use brown for making. Yes, brown I will be using for making all stones. Okay. You can use any other color also for that, but I will be using brown. Okay, chalo, open the colors, all colors. And now your most awaited movement, that is watercolor work, we will start. Okay, you can keep them in a plate. You will find it easy to handle. Okay, so keep it the ways that it should not fall down again and again. Okay, so cotton and get some water in a container. Okay, get some water in a container. I will keep them in a plate. Yes, now we will start giving it a beautiful look, and you will see the beauty after completing our ocean. Okay, all these colors are ready to use. Open all colors so that you can use them quickly. Okay, first of all, I will start with earbud. Okay, we will start with earbud impression. So take your earbud. Okay, take your earbud. Dip it in water. Dip it in water and take your any light color you can take. Okay, pink or any other. I want to take white. Okay, white. And I want to make white dots in the frog. And now, come on, let's make white dots. These are pearls in the dress of, and make sure your color should be very thick, okay? Otherwise, the impression of white will not come. Yes, I will add white this way. Okay, if you want to add white, and I want to show this flower also with pearl. Okay, a flower also with pearl. I can add little. And this pearl flower is not looking that good. So let's add some pink. Let's add some pink color. Okay, I will make it pink because white is not looking that good. Yes. Okay, pink flower. Now I have pink. Always start with light tone. Okay. I have pink color. So I will finish one fish. Come on, see. With earbud. Okay, one fish here. Two fishes you can finish with pink. Come on. Okay. And I will be taking yellow. I will be making some fishes with yellow. Okay. So this ways you will be completing the body of fishes with colors. Okay. Bright colors you can take, light colors you can take, any kind of. And your earbud will help you for that. Okay. Yes. See my fishes with different colors. Ready. I'm using earbud impression for that. Okay. So see, if you made drawing now, you simply see that how we are doing. And when the class will get over, then you do this. Okay. You simply see and attend the class. So see, I've completed the fishes. And when they will get dry, I will give outlines and on fishes once again to show eyes and all. Okay. So see, all these fishes are done with earbud. Now I will take green color. Okay, I have see, you can make sea grass with different colors. So I have green color, I have sap green color. I will start doing sea grass. Come on. With green, the same earbud. Yellow color you can use. With earbud, show grass. Okay, come on. I have sap green color also. I have two shades of green. I can use some with this green, some with that green. And I will be simply using this list. Come on, do the grass with green. Okay, come on. Simply take your color in your earbud. See, for watercolor work, for younger ones, for junior ones, earbud is always the best and manageable work. Okay, sometimes in your workbooks also, you are asked to draw and color with watercolors. So always try earbud. For beginners, it is the best to start with. Okay, I'm going to make this complete grass with green color, and I'm using my earbud for doing this. Okay. Now see the round shaped fishes. Before doing that, first we will be completing our stones. Okay. See this beautiful coral on the side. I want to make it little interesting. So I will be doing another color. You can do it with any color. I will be doing. It's very interesting. Teal blue color. Okay, I'm going to make it teal blue. So this you can try with any color of your choice. Okay, this is a sea world, very colorful. Okay, Swara, if you join meeting so late, don't worry. My creative mom, Leena Bandil, this is my YouTube channel. So we are going to upload video of this complete class on my YouTube channel. Okay, So you will be able to see this complete class, this class and the class in which we learn how to draw. So do with help of that, okay? Right now, you just simply see that how we are doing and learn the technique, okay, Swara? Maybe some issues must be there because of which you got late. So see this phase, I completed grass all around, okay? With earbud. Completed with earbud. I want to check how it is looking. Yes. Let me see. Show grass, okay? Very good, lovely. All of you with earbud, show grass. Simply you will take. Say use of earbud is very easy because there are two reasons why I always suggest junior ones to use earbud. First, as earbud has very limited cotton, so it has very limited capacity of picking up colors. You can't pick up lots of color at a time, okay? Secondly, you simply place it on surface and move, है ना? It's very easy. So see the story and that finally they got the solution and their beautiful land turn in peace land again. Done? Grass is done. Show thumbs up. Don't pick up and show your drawing. Just show thumbs up. Okay, now take cotton. Take cotton. Dip it in water. Dip your cotton in water. Yes. And simply remove water and take brown color with help of earbud or paintbrush. I will take brown color on my cotton. See this face, brown. Take brown on my cotton and simply you will complete your stones. How to do stones? See this face. I will be showing. Yes. Simply start moving. Start moving. Okay. And move in straight line or curved lines and complete your stones. Okay, you can go for tapping also. You can simply move this face and let's complete all stones. Okay, take brown again. If you want to make gray, if you have gray color, you can make some stones gray. Pink also you can make. And a different colors you can use. I will be using my cotton for showing stones with brown. Simply do this ways. Okay. And my stones are done. Once the color is picked up, it will finish so many things in your work. है ना? तो cotton painting, cotton saves lots of your time while doing painting. है ना? Yes. See, it's completely done. And the stones are looking so lovely. Brown color. You can try them golden. You can try them orange. And different colors also you can try. You know, if you have silver and golden, you can try silver and golden color also for stones. Okay. Now your tiny fishes are left and your thumb impression is left. Okay. So how to go for thumb impression? Done. Stone is done. Show thumbs up. Okay. Finished stones. Simply with paint brush, you will apply your paint here. Okay, with help of earbud or paint brush. Like say, I will apply paint here, or you can simply take color directly. I will take this yellow. All of you see, yellow is here. My 3 fishes will be yellow. 1, simply move it around. 2, and 3 fishes are yellow. 3 fishes are yellow. Come on, take 3. Okay, in the same thumb, I will take now orange. You also take same colors. Okay, so yellow and orange will get mixed and I will get a lovely color of goldfish. I will make remaining with orange. Place. Okay, So here what you learn that although you don't have colors or paintbrush, your thumb is enough to complete your work. You know, I'm doing this color. You can try some other colors also like pink or any other. You know, yes, you can try this ways also. I will be making some pink. And say this ways, my beautiful fishes are also ready. Last but not the least. Okay, the last but not the least, and that is white earbud. Okay, bubbles. Show bubbles. Okay, with white earbud, show bubbles. Okay, this time you will not take water. Okay, do it slowly. Say if you know how to make bubbles, make in one fish, and remaining bubbles you can make afterwards when the class will get over. Okay, so add bubbles in one fish. That will give you idea that how to make. Okay, yes. Just add bubbles everywhere. Here, these are small fishes, so 2 bubbles are enough. Okay, yes. And this ways, your beautiful drawing, you can show bubbles all around. All around. Okay, yes, everywhere. To show that beauty of ocean. And this ways, your drawing with different techniques is over. Okay, the only thing which is left, and that is outlines in these fishes. Okay, these fishes are still dry. So once they are completely dry, you will give one outline again and make fishes bright once again. These are not dry yet. Let it dry so you can do this work in homework. And this is our complete drawing of beautiful mermaid. Don't forget to add a black in the center. Okay, add a black or red in the center of the flower. I will add red in the center of flower. Okay, yes. And now this ways, some small red dots here. See, red is in my, I will be making some red dots here just to make some beautiful flowers as if flowers are growing. And I will give you complete view of the work. Our ocean world drawing is ready. Okay, don't forget to give outlines in fishes. And don't forget to add bubbles. Okay, if your bubble is left, you can do it afterwards and the class will get over. Okay, this is our complete work. Okay, I want to show bottle transparent. Because of this, I left it white. If you want to make it gray, you can make it gray also. So this is our learning. We learn so many techniques this time. And even in your workbooks, activity books, if you are having some pages, do watercolors, always try cotton and earbud for that. Okay. So show me if you have done, if anyone has done, can you show the work? Wow, it's looking so beautiful. Lovely. Please note down my Instagram ID. This is my Instagram ID @geo_classes. Don't forget to send your work here. This is a platform where I do my corrections. Okay. I will send my feedback, my suggestions for you. And these are the offers if you want to take screenshot for group enrollment. Okay. And this is the number of my technical team. Please note down the number of my technical team. 7617. Okay, 7617410911. Okay, and please drop WhatsApp message at the place of calling. Drop WhatsApp message because of pandemic. The availability of staff. This problem we are facing. To drop WhatsApp message, so they will reply you. Okay, and have patience for reply. You will get reply at correct time. Okay, so this was all about. If you enjoy today's class and story, can I see a thumbs up with badi wali smile? Yes, badi wali smile. Okay, very good. So don't forget to send your work. Okay, and yes, I'm very happy to see this smile. This ways you can use this drawing for Save Our Water World. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. I will wind up class. Bye, students. And what we learned from today's story, we should not waste water and we should not throw garbage here and there. Okay? You just collect and give it to Zang dealer, na kabadi wala. But don't throw in normal dustbin. We should segregate. Okay? So chalo, with this I will wind up. Bye-bye. Take care. Yes, Tushar, want to ask something? And see, you will get the recording of this on my YouTube channel. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. You will get recording of these 2 classes, drawing and coloring, on my creative mom, Leena Bandel. Okay, if you want to revise, you just visit my YouTube channel. There are so many things also extra. You can visit and learn. Okay. Okay, with blessings, I will wind up. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, students.